How's it going? It's kind of a sad day today. Um, so as you can see here, the printer's on the healing bench. But yeah. So what had happened is after the last video, when you guys saw the wheel printing, that print actually failed. And basically, when I'm printing, it wasn't like it wasn't flowing right. So I thought, okay, maybe my nozzle's clogged. I've had the printer for like 2, 3 years, so what I did was I took this guy off. This is the hot end. Well, the old hot end. I'll explain that. But I took the old hot end off. I took the nozzle out and went to clean it. And it looked fine. Make sure there's no clogs or nothing. It all looked fine. Went to put it back together and brass breaks easily. So that's why there's no nozzle in this, because I actually broke the brass off inside there. Well, I was able to get it out, but the old one did. And so I had to take this completely apart, and the thermostat, which is this guy here, was actually was like basically glued in here with ceramic, and I don't have ceramic to glue it back in, so I got a new hot end. As you can see, it's on here right now. Brand new one. Beautiful. Looks great. Except for the fact that uh it doesn't heat up. And after doing some research, I found out that main board here burns itself out. And since this is 2, 3 years old, it's right around that time. I did notice in the last few prints that I was trying to do that the heated bed wasn't actually heating up. And these right here are the two spots for the heated bed and the extruder. And basically what's happening is the fact that the MOSFETs for these guys are burnt up. So these aren't getting any voltage through them. So it's not heating anything. So what that means now is I have to get a new main board, which, looking them up, they're out of stock everywhere. And there's new quieter versions, but I don't know. I really don't know what to do right now. So I need your guys' help. Let me know. Should I fix this guy, get the printer back up and running? I did read in my research that people were adding fans in here to basically blow over this board for the display, as well as over this board to keep it cool so it doesn't burn up like that. Or should I get a new printer? I'm looking at the Ender 3 V2. Not sure if anybody has heard of it or knows anything about it, or has any other suggestions for a new printer. There is a printer that I want, but it is way out of my price range. I would love to get the Snapmaker 2.0. It's a 3-in-1. It's got a 3D printer, a laser engraver / cutting, as well as a CNC router. And I would love to get one, but I do not have the money for that at the moment. So if anybody knows anybody there can hook me up, that would be much appreciated. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know, because I have no clue what to do right now, and I would love to get this guy fixed and printing again, since I have had it for 2 years now. But at the same time, a new printer with a larger build volume would be amazing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And that's pretty much the end of this video. I know it's a short one, but I really have nothing else for you. That's why there hasn't been any printing done, because printer's broken. So yeah, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Real quick, just wanted to show you Real quick, just wanted to show you guys what I mean by how it was printing differently. So this one here you can see this was printed. Come on, focus. Focus for me, please. Oh. Hey, there we go. This one was printed before I was having problems. You can see how all the lines are nice and even and connected. And the bottom here, where it was on the build plate, you can see these edges are all connected, touching together. Maybe, if it focuses. Hello. Oh, it's struggling so bad. Maybe. You can see how they're all connected and even and nice. This one is one that was printing on the old one. All as you can see, edges, they're not even touching. Gaps in between. Yeah, look at how bad that looks. And down here, and you can actually see parts like up here weren't even attached and are just, I'm just able to peel them off. So definitely an extruder. Wasn't hot enough, wasn't printing enough. Yeah. So just wanted to show you guys what I meant.